Hi friends, I'm back with yet another book review, and this time I'm reviewing a very beautiful book, Sanatan and Science. Sanatan and Science is a bridge building effort by author Pankaj Lochan, a seasoned professional, also an engineer. This is his 11th book. It took him a lot of painstaking research to complete this book, which he calls his labor of love. Sanatan and Science is divided into 3 parts. Sanatan, the antiquity, Sanatan, the way of life, Sanatan, the science. Sanatan, the antiquity, creates awareness about our ancient past, especially the period of classical and other civilizations before the Middle Ages. History of history is all about the evolution of civilizations, right from Mesopotamia, Greece, Egypt, Rome, totaling of 10 civilizations that marked the progress of humanity. In the second part, Sanatan, the way of life, explores its cultural and spiritual dimensions, talks in depth about the wisdom ingrained in Vedas, Shastras and Upanishads. It tells us how Sanatan is not just a mere religion to follow, but a holistic way of living that enriches the mind, body and soul. It talks about the cycle of life, samsara, karma and moksha. Samsara is the cycle of birth, death and rebirth. Karma is all about positive and negative actions. And finally, moksha, that liberates the soul from samsara. Our soul is connected to universal consciousness, waiting for us to be awakened to the truth of who we really are and know our purpose. Finally, in the third part of the book, author Pankaj Lochan emphasizes on the Vedic rituals like waking up at Brahma Muhurta, Surya Arghya, yoga, dhyan and much more. Focusing on the holistic Vedic health and medicine, we can understand the Vedic health system as spiritual health, yoga, Ayurveda, diagnostics, surgery and pharmacology. Well, I read this book in English and I reviewed the contents of the book in English. But this book is available both in Hindi as well as English, ताकि ये सबके preferences के accordingly accessible रहे. You know, our cultural heritage is so vast कि इसकी भव्यता और दिव्यता को समझ पाने के लिए ऑथर पंकज जी ने बड़े ही केयरफुल रिसर्च के साथ इस बुक को एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव गाइड की तरह पेश किया है. सनातन और विज्ञान एक कंप्लीट गाइड है जिससे ना सिर्फ आप सनातन धर्म के बेसिक्स को समझ पाएंगे बल्कि इसे अपनी जीवन शैली में उतारने का पूर्ण तरह से प्रयास करेंगे. You know, I really applaud Pankaj ji's sincere efforts to preserve and honor our culture through this book, and he urges the forthcoming generation to embrace and reclaim our rich heritage with pride and honor. Hari Om. Thank you for watching.